Guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Blessing here today. How are you people doing? Hope you're fine. We are on lockdown. This evening I want to prepare pizza, so let me start preparing early before the time we prepare it in the evening. What you need for a pizza is, this is 1 kilo of flour, 2 packets of yeast, kosher salt, sugar to activate the yeast. In my own doing, I use fresh dash tomatoes. Put it over here. I put my oregano. This is the flavor of. If you do pizza without this, what kind of pizza are you doing? Then you add your olive oil. I don't like cooking my tomatoes. It will cook while the pizza. When I add my salt, I mix. Then I will leave this one for the next 3 hours because the flour I'm going to mix, the dough is going to rest for 7 hours. That is how Italians do pizza. If you want to do emergency pizza, you will do for 2 hours, but I leave my flour to rest at least 7 hours. The cheese called mozzarella, which I'm going to dash later. When the pizza will be ready, you will see it when I'm going to cook it. For today, my kids, they want pizza with full style. While myself, we are going to eat pizza, regular pizza that called margherita. Margherita simply means pizza, tomato, and mozzarella. Now I am adding my dry yeast. Then add little sugar. Don't put sugar much so that your pizza will not be sugary. Then I mix. Then I boil it whole. Then you add your warm water. Olive oil. You can see it. You don't add salt now, so because if you add salt, the flour will not be active. It will go and kill the yeast. So the salt will be added later. Keep adding your warm water as you mix your flour. I love mixing with hand like Italians. Their grandmothers, their mother, they're always in the house preparing one thing. They don't use machine. So as I learned from grandma and my friend Rosie, so I like doing it with my hands. Now I can add my kosher salt. Now I transfer my dough and begin to work on it. After working the dough for a few minutes, you can see it's elastic now. Throw it to make it elastic. Now transfer it into the bowl. To rub it a little so that it will not dry. And cover it. Then I on my oven light, not oven. Then I put it in one place. Hey guys, after 7 hours now, I have to open my oven and check my pizza. Oh, I have to bring it down. To punch it down. Upon the oil I put is still come up. Yeah. I start to extend the pizza. After rolling the flour, time for you to mix your tomato sauce. Depend the way you want your tomatoes, how quantity you want. Now you don't put your mozzarella. This is the cheese. Called mozzarella. That is what we need for the pizza to go down. Now for the kids, they say they want Worcester. So I have to cut. I just have the smaller one in my fridge. So I have to pieces them and then decorate it for them. Now I need salt to go. Olive oil. Now the pizza is ready. I have preheated my oven 180 degrees. Now I put the pizza inside the oven while we wait. Now the pizza is ready. My goodness. Just have a look of that. You now transfer it to the pizza plate. That is what is called margherita. First time. Hope you like what I'm doing. Like, share, subscribe. Why will you watching without subscribe? Hit the notification bell. Subscribe. See you. Ciao. See you on my next video. Bye. This is the second one that is out. You can see how it is very nice. And I've already cut this one for you people to see.